This is the time of year when we're craving heartier meals. And one way to make everything from thick-cut pork chops to slow-cooked roasts super juicy and as tender as can be is to brine them. Now, if you're not sure where to start, let me share an old-world style brine that'll take these pork chops to a whole new level. We start by mixing some water with a bottle of dark beer, a couple of tablespoons of molasses, a bit of brown sugar, and some kosher or sea salt. Salt is key when brining as it helps the brine to penetrate the meat and tenderize it. Now we place our chops in a resealable bag and cover it with the brine. After it's sealed, into the fridge it goes for at least 4 hours or even overnight. Then we'll drain off the brine and toss these onto a grill pan, or we can do them outside on the grill. And since we wanted to go all out, we rub these with a homemade dry rub to really amp up the flavor. There you have it, perfectly brined chops that are so moist, so tender, and so flavorful, you're going to want to pick up the bone and nibble on it so you don't leave any goodness behind. To get the recipe, simply visit our website and type in Beer-Brined Pork Chops. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a juicy and flavorful way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."